Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A71 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can take a slow motion video in your phone Samsung Galaxy A71. First of all, go to the camera in your phone. Click here for camera and click on more button. Now select slow motion option here. Now start recording your video. While recording, it will be like a normal video. But after playing the video will be in slow motion. I stop the video and play the video now. Give all permissions. Video will be in slow motion in particular area only, that is up to 10 seconds it will be in slow motion. You can also control the speed of slow motion. You can also set it from the start point of your video. If you have edited, click on save and be saved. In this way, you can easily take slow motion video on your phone Samsung Galaxy A71. That's